I'm expert in finance. I'm expert in finance. I'm expert in SCM. I'm expert in manufacturing. I'm expert in project management accounting. All modules I'm expertise. Okay, so yesterday I have introduced about this functionality. So I'm going to teach you about domain knowledge or functional knowledge. That is a high priority. That means everything is real-time scenarios. So you are going to learn where, when, which, why, what, everything you are going to learn, and how to operate also required. So many people think like, if I have learned how to operate Dynamics 365, I can get a job. No. You need to have real-time scenario. You need to speak with the interviewer, and you need to learn how to operate. Little bit technical knowledge also required. Some ERP concepts and interview techniques. All these skills are I'm going to improve your knowledge. With my training, you are going to learn these things. And you have to have like good communication skills, educational qualification, practice with the system, and discuss with colleagues. The most important is you need to speak with your colleagues. So in training, you are going to learn, you are going to speak with your colleagues. In a real-time job, whenever you are attending an interview, you need to speak with the interviewer. Whenever you are working with a project, you need to speak with your client, you need to speak with your developers, you need to speak with your colleagues. So functional consultant, we need to speak a lot. Speak. And the commitment I'm requesting, join the live sessions. Don't depending on the video recordings. Okay. Just give me a minute. Okay. Join the live sessions. So all these skills together, chances of getting a job is more. Okay, fine. So whenever I'm teaching, I will explain you transactions, masters, setups, configurations, parameters. These all are one by one, slowly you are going to learn. First, I will teach you transactions. Many people will ask like, why are you teaching whether I'm going to enter anything? So here, transaction means purchase order to invoice. So people will ask me, why are you teaching this one? Actually, I have total 24 years experience. In 4 days, 5 days, it will become 25 years, really, nearly 25 years experience. I never posted purchase order invoice in the live environment. I never posted. But I'm teaching and I'm doing this one because if you don't know how to do this one, how can you help the opposite persons? Because you are going to join in a software company and you are going to help this client or business people. If you don't know how these people are doing, then how can you help them? So you need to learn this purchase order to invoice. But in real-time scenario, purchase order to invoice, I did it. Some thousands and thousands and thousands of transactions I did it. But I never posted in the live environment. In the live environment, I have not posted. But practicing purpose, it is required. So first you are going to learn transactions. Then you are going to learn setups, masters, configurations, parameters. Okay, after that, we are going to create a new company creation process. I'm going to teach you. This is indirectly equal to some sample project. Okay, you are going to learn positive scenarios, negative scenarios. For positive scenarios, it is successful, blue color. If it is failure scenarios, for that it is a warning or error messages you need to understand. So the session will be 7:30 to 8:30. It is 7:30 to 8:30 SCM session. Okay. It will be 2.5 months, around 10 weeks. The session will be around 10 weeks, Monday to Friday. Okay. So today we are going to learn about purchase order to invoice. Let me show you this purchase order to invoice one more time. Yesterday I have explained this purchase order to invoice. I'm going to show you once again purchase order to invoice. This is purchase order process. Before purchase order process, we have purchase requisition, request for quotation. Okay, all these things are there, but you will learn this one in future. So in this session, first now you are going to learn purchase order creation, then purchase order confirmation, next product receipt, then vendor invoice. Okay, this process we are learning. Purchase order creation means we are informing to the vendor. We are going to inform to the vendor like these many items are required. Confirmation means vendor is giving the delivery date confirmation that we need to update. Next, product receipt means we have received material from the vendor. If you are receiving material from the vendor, it will update. Physical inventory will be increased. And vendor invoice means the financial costings. How much amount we need to pay to the vendor? How much amount we need to pay to the vendor, that we are going to understand from the vendor invoice. So this is the process. Let us understand this process once again in the system. So procurement and sourcing module. Procurement and sourcing module. Collapse all. Purchase orders, all purchase orders. Second, someone is joining. Okay. So we are learning about purchase order process. So vendor, this is vendor, and this is our company. Okay, can you mute yourself, please? Please mute yourself. Let me make him mute. So purchase order process means we are creating a, see, always you need to imagine this is your company. Of course, you are joining in a software company. You need to imagine you are running a business. Then it will be easy to understand any ERP. Not only Microsoft Dynamics, any ERP, whether it is SAP, that is Oracle Apps, Tally, Wings, Focus, PeopleSoft, Infor, any ERP if you are learning, imagine you are running a business. You are running a business. So this is your company, and you are going to receive material from the vendor. That is purchase process. Okay. So procurement and sourcing module. Procurement and sourcing module. Collapse all. Purchase orders, all purchase orders. Click on new button. Select the vendor from the drop down. Select the vendor from the drop down. Select warehouse. Click OK. So vendor means this one, vendor company. Warehouse means you are running a business, you will have warehouse. If you are running your business, you will have warehouse. This is warehouse. Okay. So now we have selected warehouse and we are selecting item. N quantity I have entered. So now if I go to product information management, collapse all, here we will find product master, released product master, release product, and item master also there. You will understand all those things later. At present is same. If you look at this one, item 1000, This is the item. Okay. Here, item, I'm selecting manage inventory, manage inventory tab, view area page, on hand inventory button. So here it is showing ordered in total 21. Okay, suppose I'm deleting this line and I will create once again. If you verify on hand inventory, refresh, it is 11. Ordered in total is 11. Now I'm selecting the item 1000. 10 quantity I have entered and I saved. Then automatically here it will update ordered in total 10 quantity. Earlier it is 11. If I refresh, it will become 21. Okay, ordered in total. Now, if I want to receive the material, I cannot receive directly. First, you need to do confirmation. Okay, so like procurement department, they will check with vendor. Can you deliver by today? Yes. They confirmed, yes, they are going to deliver material today. So we are doing confirmation. So once it is confirmed, after that, we are doing product receipt. Generate area page, product receipt. So here product receipt means vendor delivered the material to us. Vendor delivered the material to us. That is product receipt. So whenever they are delivering material to us, they will take a printout. That is called packing slip or dispatch of this material. That packing slip number for us, it is a product receipt number or GRN number, goods receipt number. That we need to enter here, product receipt number. We need to enter product receipt number and date. Product receipt number and date. Click OK. So if you update product receipt, what happens? This on-hand inventory, this will move from here to here. It will become 197. So blue color ribbon. Success means blue color. So if I refresh, this will become 11. This will become 197. Now I'm doing invoice. This is finance part. I'm doing invoice. So invoice number you need to enter, invoice date you need to enter. Invoice number and invoice date you need to enter. Okay, here there is mass status is not performed. If you click on update mass status, it is passed. So what is this match update status? Update mass status. You will understand this one in future. I have written as a pending point. I have kept as a pending point. Okay, next, before posting, we'll verify totals. Here, like, what is the amount? What is the discount? What is the charges? What is the taxes? Everything is you are going to learn in the coming sessions. If everything is correct, we'll post this one. Okay. Once it is posted, you can see the voucher here. At present, voucher is empty. I'm taking duplicate. This is little bit financial topic. General ledger, collapse all. Periodic tasks, subledger journal entry is not yet transferred. You need to transfer now. Then it will update vendor transactions. So what is this voucher? In finance, you will learn, not here. Debits and credits, it is a part of finance. But vendor balance will be updated. Vendor balance will be updated. $8,990 we need to pay to the vendor. Negative. Okay. This is about purchase order to invoice. So purchase order creation, purchase order confirmation, product receipt, and vendor invoice. Yeah. Is it clear? Any questions till now? Any questions, please? No questions? Fine. Now, this we understood purchase order process. Now, let me do sales order process. Sales order process. Before this one, we have lead, opportunity, sales quotation. Okay, these things you will learn later. Lead, opportunity, quotation. So now sales order process means sales order creation.
Satya
Yes.
Priyaranjan this side.
Yeah.
Uh, One small question in the
Yeah.
process cycle. Yeah, there
Yeah.
is a receipt, right? And
Yeah.
somehow there is some quality management is also involved, right? So is there
Yeah.
that functionality in the purchase process or not?
Yes, we have. We have that process. It
Okay,
is in. You will learn that one later, but not
okay,
now. In the last,
okay,
you are going to learn. But here it is available in the inventory management.
okay,
We have quality order,
okay,
quarantine order, quality order, then quality association, on which process you want, you can do it.
okay. So this one is the totally set up based on either
This,
vendor or maybe product like item, right?
yes.
That will be
So at the
okay,
time of purchase, at the time of sales, at the time of production, at the
okay,
time of quarantine and co-product production means manufacturing. Discrete, this is discrete manufacturing. This is process manufacturing.
okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Sales order process means like sales order creation. Sales order creation means customer has given information to us. Customer informed to our company. That is sales order. Here, customer is informing to our company what are the items required. Then packing slip. Packing slip means we are dispatching the material to the customer. Financial postings means how much amount we need to collect from the customer. We are giving information to the customer. Sales order creation, packing slip, invoice to the customer. Here in between in 10.0.42, there is a complete button. So this is in 10.0.42. So our product is 10.0.39. 10.0.39. So in 42, you can see one button called complete, then only we can proceed. Okay, here in the purchase order process, we have purchase order confirmation. This is mandatory. In the sales order process, there is no button at present in 10.039. Yes, please. Yeah, proceed. Yeah, proceed. Yeah.
10.049 is there, right? It's a Microsoft version, or else it indicates what, like?
So this is Microsoft versions. We are working on this one, 10.0.39. So Microsoft released, this is on March 15th, general availability. Whatever we are working, this is released in March 15th. In the market, if you have a proper license, you will have 10.0.42. Got it? In
So
41,
it is a completely relevant to the versions, right?
yes, versions.
Yeah. Thank you.
So if you are working with the client, you will get 10.041 or 42. 42 is released by today only, 27. So in 41 it is there. So it is available in 41 onwards. But at present we don't have that version. So I'm not able to show you that one in the system. So here you will find, let me go to sales orders, sales and marketing, collapse all, sales orders, all sales orders. You will find a button here. So I'm clicking on new button, select the customer, US001. Otherwise, I will take US002. Select warehouse, click OK. Select the item. So 2 quantity. Okay, select the quantity and the price. Okay, so here between delete and sales order, there is a button complete. Recently introduced in the latest 10.0, like 41. Okay, complete. Now it is not there. So I have created a sales order, 2 quantity. Now in the on hand inventory, it will become on order 5. If it is a purchase order, it is ordered in total. If it is a sales order, it will become on. So next, as I told you, confirmation is available. It is not mandatory. Actually, here there is a confirm now, confirm sales order. This is not a mandatory step. You can skip it. But complete button is coming soon. That is mandatory whenever it is that button is enabled. Okay. Next, pick and pack tab, post packing.
Oh, Satya,
Yes, please.
what is
Yes.
the purpose of this complete button?
So it is introduced in the latest done the price confirmation. It is a price confirmation. So they made it because if you want to change anything, price or any quantity or something, you know, to make it complete button. The
So
reason,
this will be done by the customer.
not customer, it is our client. See here, this client, not customer, not customer. We are taking information here. We are doing
So,
confirmation. Yeah.
Satya, just little bit. So, what do you mean
Hmm.
by customer and client here? Can you to correlate little
So
bit more?
yeah, yes. So for this company, software company, this is a customer, but we will use the word client or project. For you, you are an employee in this company, then it is called project. For you, an employee, they will call it as project. For this Accenture company or TCS or Infosys, they will use the word client. So while learning ERP, you need to imagine this is your company, then you can understand easily. So this is your company, forget about software company. You are running a business. So you
Yeah.
are delivering material to the customer, then this is
Hmm.
the customer.
Yeah.
You are
So in
dispatching
that,
material to the
so in that
tell me.
scenario, suppose
Hmm.
USMF is the company or organization, and they are
Yeah.
selling the some material to customer. That is the
Hmm.
maybe X. Just
Yeah.
imaging that X. Okay. In
Hmm.
that scenario, we are
Hmm.
doing the shipment or doing the invoice for the X customer.
Hmm.
So confirmation will be done by USWF or confirmation will done by X.
No, it is confirming by this company only. We are not giving access to these people.
Okay, so
No.
someone from the USMF who is authorized to do the confirmation, if I
Business
am not
leaders.
okay.
Business leaders in this company, they will do complete. That means sales and marketing team in this company, sales and marketing team, they will update complete button. So
Okay,
see, this is actually, let me show you, let me explain you. Sales order creation and complete, this two done by sales and marketing department. So they are completing, they have entered, they have completed. That is sales and marketing department. This will be done by sales and marketing department. These two will be executed. Okay. And this is done by warehouse department. This is done by finance department. Clear?
yeah,
So sales team, they are confirming like, yes, completed. Data entry is completed. Then only warehouse department, they will dispatch the material to the customers. Okay. Any questions?
So in this scenario, when confirmation will be done by the sales and marketing team, right?
Yes.
Confirmation button executed by the sales and marketing team.
Yes, it is not confirmation button, it is complete button, to be frankly.
Mhm.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Let me proceed now. So let me do it now. So I have created a sales order. Then it is showing here on order. It is showing on order. Now I'm doing packing slip. Pick and pack tab. Pick and pack tab. Generate area page. Post packing slip. Click OK. It is giving a message, pop-up message. What does this means? You are about to post the document without printing. You are about to post the document without printing. You are not printing. So, because here we are dispatching material to the customer, it is must you need to provide a document to the customer. You need to take a 3 documents, 3 copy document. You need to take a printout. So it will give you always a pop-up message, take a printout, take a printout. But for practicing purpose, I don't need any printer. I don't need any printer connection. So whenever you are doing always sales process, whenever you are doing sales process, it will keep on giving a pop-up message like this message. In real-time scenario, your laptop or your system should have a printer connection. You need to take a printout. That is the best practice. But for practicing purpose, not required. I understand. I'm clicking on OK. So now if you verify on-hand inventory, this will become 3 and this will become 195 because 2 was dispatched to the customer. 2 already dispatched to the customer. It was became 195. Next, I'm doing invoice. Invoice tab.
Hi, sir.
Generate area page, invoice button. Yes, please.
So what are the 3 documents that we should send to a customer?
It's not 3 documents, 3 copies.
Yeah, 3 copies. I mean, what copies, sir?
Packing slip document. 1 copy for your filing purpose, 1 copy with the track, 1 copy to the customer. Got it?
Yeah, okay, sir. Thank you.
So now I'm generating invoice copy. So here I'm clicking on OK. Once again, it is giving a warning message. Document without printing. Document without printing. So in real-time scenario, you need to have a printer connection with the system and you need to take a printout. So once again, I don't want, I'm practicing. I don't want, I'm ignoring. Select OK to continue. I'm clicking OK. So for the sales process, it will give you a pop-up message always. So at the time of invoice, customer balance will be updated. This is a financial voucher. It is related to finance. So that is the reason I told you this is finance department who will do it. Here also, this is purchase department, purchase order creation and confirmation. This will be done by purchase department. And this is done by warehouse department. This will be done by finance department. Okay. Clear about this process, purchase order process and sales order process? Any questions? So this purchase order process, sales order process, you are going to learn at least 2 to 3 weeks. There are many scenarios you are going to learn. In reality, the sales order process, purchase order process, you are going to learn 2 months. 2 months entire course, you are going to learn this one a lot. Because you are going to do something with the purchase order. We are going to do something with the sales order. Trade agreements with the purchase order. Trade agreements with the sales order. Purchase agreements with the purchase order. Sales agreements with the sales order. Master planning, you need to apply purchase order. Sales order. Everything is purchase order, sales order. So you are going to learn 5 documents. One is purchase order, sales order, item master or released product. Next, vendor and customer. These are transactions. These are masters. These 5 documents, without these 5 documents, you will never learn anything. The entire SCM is rotating in these 5 documents. Okay. There are so many things you are going to learn. Along with those things, you are going to apply the topics on these documents. Purchase order, sales order. These are 2 transactions. These are 2 transactions. And remaining 3 are masters. Masters. And to do these things, there are so many setups and configurations you are going to learn in the coming sessions. Yeah. Till now, any questions, please? Any questions?
Satya, bank master is also including in that, or that is in finance side?
Bank master is a part of finance, not here.
Okay, but it's a bank master is also a master category,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
And pricing, what about the
This
pricing?
Pricing is set up.
Satya garu,
Yes, please, Rajesh. Yeah.
yeah. This is nothing but whenever we go for a service the vehicle, or else they will do this kind of process, right? If I'm the customer, if I'm ordering some silencer replacement, they have to create the first procurement process, then sales process. These are the steps they are going to use it, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Anything else, team? Anyone? Anyone have any questions?
Sir, does purchase order comes under procurement and sourcing?
Yes. Purchase order means it is procurement sourcing. So purchase order is under procurement and sourcing or purchasing process. So yes, definitely it is a part of here only. That is one procurement and sourcing module. Purchase process. Yeah.
And one more question, Satya garu.
Yeah.
If we ordered the silencer and they have placed an order to the company, it comes under a purchase or else sales order.
It is, if it is a stock is there, then you are going to raise a request internally. Otherwise, you are going to order from the externally. Okay, you are talking about service industry. Whatever you are talking, it is service industry. If it is service industry, project management accounting, if you want to use it, you can use it. We need to read the customer requirements, and then we need to suggest. At present, whatever you are learning here, this is the simple examples. If you don't go with complex, this SCM trade elastics means you are running a mobile shop, you are running a electronic shop, you are purchasing laptops, you are selling laptops, you are purchasing washing machines, you are selling washing machines. If you imagine that scenario, that will be very suitable. If you are touching service, then it is a project management accounting. Yeah. So the client requirements we need to study. Based on that, we are going to proceed. Clear, Rajesh?
Yeah. Thank you.
Any more questions, team? Let me proceed now. So
Sir,
I'm going. Yes, please. Yeah.
sir, the
Proceed.
purchase order to invoice along the vendor side is called as transaction, whereas the sales along the customer side is also called a transaction.
Yes, these two are transactions.
Okay.
Purchase order and sales order is a transactions. If you want to do purchase order, sales order, we need masters. What are the masters means? Item, vendor, and customer. Without item and vendor, you cannot create a purchase order. Without item and customer, you cannot create a sales order. These are masters. Yeah, clear? Yeah, okay. Any more doubts? Any more clarifications?
Just understanding the hierarchy, should we create the purchase order first or the sales order first?
That depends. That depends. So here, suppose you are keeping the material in your warehouse, then it is a purchase order. And if you are not keeping the stock, and based on the order, once it is comes, then you are procuring. Then if you are running master planning and if you are purchasing, then it is a like sales order will be first. That depends. But in general, we'll keep the material in our warehouse. So then purchase order is the first priority. Okay, whenever you are learning master planning, at that time you will understand those scenarios. Master planning is one of the module that will give the clarification clearly whether you are planning to go for against items or in the master planning there is a requirement based functionality or min max functionality. If you are using min max, you are going to purchase material and then you are selling. If it is a requirement based, you are getting the orders from the customer and then you are delivering material to the customers once you purchase. Yeah, whether I have given answer to your question?
Yeah.
Because if you go to MRP in master planning, here there is a setup. In this we have one is requirement based, another one is min max based. In coming sessions, you are going to learn master planning. Fine. Yeah, any more questions, team? Any more questions? Okay, if no questions, let me proceed now. So now I am very happy your participation. Suppose I have started a new business by investing 5 crores. I have started electronic shop. Okay, I'm purchasing mobiles, 100 pieces. Each one it is 10,000 Indian rupees. So it is 10 lakhs. And I'm purchasing washing machines. Hundred washing machines. Each one is 30K. Is 30 lakhs. Now I'm purchasing projectors. 100 projectors at the rate of 2 lakhs. Now it is 2 crores. So I have started a new business. This is my new business. By investing 5 crores worth 5 crores, I started a new business. Okay, I have recruited one clerk. He is doing like this. Okay, now you are a manager. You are a purchasing manager. So you are a purchase manager. Is it any wrong here? Newly started my business. If you are a purchase manager, so can you suggest me any wrong here? Any wrong here? Or if he is asking approval from you, your approval. So can you proceed with this one or not? Anything wrong here? Whether he is doing purchasing clerk, he is doing any wrong. You company. I want your participation, please.
We need to check for the sales side, like how many
Okay, this is a best price I have. Yeah, agree, totally agree. Now I don't want generalized statement. If you are a manager, how many quantity you want to approve? 100 is wrong. You can purchase one. Is it your suggestion? Or no, it is 100 is very less. We'll purchase 1000. I'm keen about quantity. Each one will purchase 30,000. So what is your opinion?
It
First, we need
depends
to
upon
check
the
whether they
budget
have.
which
We need to check whether they have
Hmm.
those quantities which we are opting to buy.
So here in the system, we are entering the data. He entered the quantity like this. He entered like this in the system he entered. Now you need to modify. Can you suggest like, no, verify that. So in the system, we need to correct it. You are a purchase manager, you need to correct it. So how can you correct it? No, don't do this one. You need to verify. So we cannot suggest to the system like we need to verify the sales, how many. We cannot tell to the system, am I right? We need to purchase the numbers. Now you are a manager. What is your number? Simply I'm asking. I'm telling that this is wrong. Completely blunder. A big mistake he is doing. So now how can you rectify?
we'll check for the demand and the inventory,
So
items in inventory.
can we write here in the system demand in the sales order? Can I write demand here? No, am I right? In the sales order when I'm creating, I'm telling like clearly it is I'm creating. So I will write down here. I'm selecting the vendor. I'm creating a purchase order, procurement sourcing, purchase orders. Purchasing clerk he is entering. He selected vendor. He is also a new guy. Okay, fine. I'm selecting warehouse. Can we write here? Select the item, washing machine or mobile. Can we write here demand like this? No, am I right? System need number. So whether you will allow 100 quantity or 10 quantity or 1 quantity I want. If you are a manager with your experience, with your normal experience. Here, my intention is not to hurt anyone. My intention is you need to understand the intensity of this functionality. Any number you can suggest. Any one person, please suggest numbers. At least 2-3 people. Some numbers only. Am I right? Can we make it 1, 1, 1?
Half of no 50.
50. 50. 50. Okay, one manager proposal like 50. Good. This is one manager proposal. Any other manager can like it may be right, it may be wrong. I will give you justifications. Okay, if you are another manager, so we have almost 13 members, 12 members, including me, 13, 12 members. Anyone? Can you take voluntary? How many quantity you will propose?
75.
Okay, each one 75.
Yeah.
Okay, so another person, one more manager approved like 75. Any other opinions?
I'll decrease the number of projectors because comparing to mobiles and washing machines, projectors will be sold less.
Okay, so Harshavardhan is proposing numbers. Yeah, what is the number? Your number? Harshavardhan?
50 projectors, sir.
50 projectors. Anything else? This 100 only? Yeah, okay. Any other opinions? Fourth manager?
80, sir.
80?
Yes.
80. Any other opinions? One more. So if I'm approving like this, I need to shut down my business in second day, 1 year or second year. 1 year or 2 years, I need to shut down. I don't have alternative. Shut down. The reason behind projectors is a costly item. How many people will purchase? It is 2 crores. I have invested 5 crores, 2 crores. Even it is 1 crore, 1.5 crores. If I'm spending like this, I'm to shut down my business. Because mobiles, if there is something wrong, if it is not sold, 10 lakhs is not a big amount when compared with 2 crores, 5 crores. I have invested 5 crores. Some losses and plus. So, on an average, the analysis in the market, 1.5 year, every 1.5 year, people are changing their mobile. So, fine, 100 or 50 or 80, no problem. Washing machines, people are getting married, they will purchase washing machines. Maybe 50, maybe 80 is fine. But projectors, I cannot purchase 100 pieces. Max to max, 2 or 3. Who will purchase? The movement of this projectors is very less in the market. Am I right? Agree with me? Agree with me? If it is any new college, new software company, they have started, they may purchase these projectors. So it is a big mistake if you purchase the 50, 75 also. Here, my intention is not blaming anyone. We need to understand the intensity because it is a costly item and movement is very less in the market. We know, am I right? Agree with me, everyone? So, any business, if it is running, purchase manager is the crucial and very, very important. A very, very important decision we will take. So that is the reason approval is important. There is a approval process. Manager will approve this purchase process. So there is a workflow here. Using workflow, there will be approval process. Manager will take the decision. So the entire company will be, whether it is running or not, collapsed, is completely depending on the purchase manager. So if you verify any a single person management companies, purchase manager will be always the CEO or CFO relatives will be there, very close to the person. So here Why I'm speaking here, what is the purpose means, approval is required. And purchase manager, he will approve, he will validate, and he will approve. So that approval process also available in the system, purchase order workflow process approval. Workflow approval process is required. Purchase manager, he will approve this one, because purchasing clerk, he can do any number, he can purchase. Okay, because vendor is giving gift to him, one laptop to him, he will purchase 50 projectors. The purchase department, they will get gifts a lot. Any company, anywhere, if you verify, this is an open secret. If you are in the purchase department, you will get benefited from the vendors. They will give gifts a lot to you. So he is giving gifts. I'm purchasing 50 projectors, 75 projectors, 100 projectors. If the company is going to shut down, what is my problem? If I take like this, it is a very critical situations. So purchase manager need to validate whether it is relevant or not, whether we are purchasing properly or not. Okay, fine. So for that, we need to have approval process. I will show you approval process later, purchase order workflow process later. But we have this in the system, purchase order workflow in between purchase order creation and confirmation. If you want, you can enable workflow. In general, 90% clients, they will enable workflow, purchase order workflow, so that purchase manager will approve this material based on the conditions of the requirements. Maybe washing machines may be 50, or mobiles may be 100, projectors may be 2 or 3, not more than that. Because the sales of the projectors is very less and it is costly. Every 5 years, every 1 year, every 2 years, the models may be changed. So I cannot sell 50 projectors in 1 year. In 1 month, 2 months, I cannot. But mobiles, movement is more, washing machines may be more. Even for washing machines, maybe 25, maybe 30, maybe 40. Mobiles also maybe 50, maybe 100. If it is plus or minus, there will not be any damage to my company. There may be a loss, chances of loss. But this is not a loss. It is completely shut down. Okay? It is a big mistake. Fine. I'm stopping here now. We'll connect once again Monday morning. Same links. Okay, Monday also, Monday evening. Same links. 6:30 to 7:30 finance, 7:30 to 8:30 SCM. Anyone is interested, like to continue the session, please approach me or please approach your institute.